How to post on Reddit step by step. If you want to post on Reddit step by step, it's actually quite very simple to do so. First, you simply have to open your browser and go to reddit.com, and this is the interface that you'll be able to see. Now, once you've done this, what you actually have to do is you have to just make sure to click on the create button from the top right. So you could be on a PC, you could be on a mobile phone, but go to create. Now, depending upon what you want to create, right away you have to select. So is it just text that you want to add, or images and video, or a link, or a poll? So depending upon whichever it is you're trying to create, just go ahead and type in the title, enter the body text. You can enter the text and edit it to any format you prefer. If it's an image or video, you can choose to drag and upload the media and hit the post button. And this way you can post in Reddit. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.